Well, there was a slight bit of a accident with the wiring inside. When the lights turned off, it caused the entire mech to short circuit. So it started releasing some smoke, which I'll get to in a moment. And that is because the wire connectors weren't insulated from each other, so they knocked against each other, and that caused the lights to turn off and it to smoke. And what was smoking, might you ask? The main power line. Ouch. Look at that. So I'm going to need to replace that before I do anything further. But in the meantime, let's go up inside the cockpit and I'll show you what's what. So here we are in the cockpit. It's kind of exposed to the elements. That's because I'm going to be making some new panels here to cover up the air gaps and stuff, and also to give Marduk a bit of a cosmetic makeover, I guess. And here are the Waldo arms. So when you pull this backwards, it's inverted, so it swings the arm out there forwards, giving a good punching motions. And this arm was not working because I ended up swapping the cables around, so what is supposed to be the bicep is not connected properly, so it won't bend. That's just as easy as going into the arm and switching them. And right here, these are the switches that allow you to raise the arm, which is flipping the switch forward, and lower the arm is flipping the switch backward, and then a neutral position, which leaves the arm where it is. And here is our friend, the steering indicator, with a new 3D printed needle. So it should be less likely to break. And this is our throttle, so we've got the forwards and the backwards and all that fun stuff. It's a little sticky when it gets to the backwards part, but And here's our clutch. Just stomp down on this baby. Makes the mech go rocketing forward, or rocketing back. And hiding under here, we've got the pedals. The one on the right is for the steering right and left, I believe. And this pedal is for torso rotation, also right and left. And we have similar Waldo on this side, except I rigged up the Bowden cables properly so the elbow bends and you can get a good punching motion, as I demonstrated earlier. And this is the main power line. So you flip that up and you flick the switch. That turns on. Whoop. I had some of those pedals toggled, that's why you might have heard that bit of a grindy noise. That light turns on and the wonderful headlights that short-circuited turn on up there. And what I need to do is go over all the connectors, and you can see right here, these are a potential short-circuit hazard. So I just got to wrap some tape kind of around them so they are less likely to contact with each other. This is the head controller, so it controls where the head rotates. Not sure about its position relative to inside, whether it's inverted or I should put it whatever. I don't know how it's set up, but that is something to worry about later. And I'll just shut off the main line and get out of the mech. So I guess that will be all for today. So if you do enjoy my content, be sure to like and subscribe, and remember to cover your electrical connections with duct tape. Bye bye.